Our microwave has a problem. It doesn't turn on at all. When you open it, put something inside, when you close it, this button doesn't work at all. You can turn it on. And how to fix old microwave? We decided to make it with fast drying contact cleaner. How to fix it? At first we need to clean all area here. There was a lot of dirt, and now it looks better, but it's dirt. It has dirt at all. And here is 3 connectors: 1, 2, and 3. And they decided give information to the microprocessor when to turn it on and how it can work. How to fix it? Just clean all the contacts. With a contact cleaner. It will evaporate fast and it will work again. And also clean all the stuff on the board like this. It's all. WD40 a contact cleaner. Will it work? We will see after 5 minutes when it will dry completely. Also, I will check all the connections here that it connect properly. Yeah, everything is good. How it works? There is a microprocessor, that a computer that is ahead of all the device. It has 2 engines. This engine for fun to make some cooling for the device, and another one engine is under the system to rotate the dish. Also there is a transformator for the power supply of this magnetic device, magnetron. I don't know how it will be in English here. And also this one is a power supply for the all electronics inside. And this one is a microwave part, and this one is a grill, a tent. It's easy device, and here is 3 connectors: 1, 2, 3 that give some information to microprocessor to work. Here is a lamp that give you a light when you open the door. It's all. Let's try. Does it work or not? Okay, this way. One, two, three. It looks okay. Now we need some water to put in. We will put half of cup of water to the oven, close this and try to check it. Seems okay. It seems to work.
Good job.
It's not me, it's WD40 compact cleaner. I recommend it. Let's check the water. It's warm. Now we try to close this. Oh, here we have a schematic diagram. Cool. I need it before. Okay, let's put the device together. Just use them. Here. I like this machine. We own it more than 7 years, and it is still working and working okay. It cost not more than 70 euros when we bought it. That's all. Down. Everything is okay now. Let's put it back